The 3% mortgage rate you have sounds a lot sexier than one I can give you today that starts with a 7. I get it. But what about that 21% rate you have on your credit card? And what about the student loan payments that will begin later this year that you haven't been making any payments on for the last few years? Has inflation eaten into your monthly budget and just made paying all of your bills harder? If you're like most homeowners, you probably have a lot of equity in your house. Home values have spiked the last couple of years, giving homeowners instant wealth. And while that's great when you go to sell your house, that equity does nothing for you today, and it doesn't help you pay your bills. If you're like most Americans, you also have a lot of credit card debt. Americans now have about $1 trillion in credit card debt, according to the latest numbers. That's a lot. By consolidating your high interest rate debts like credit cards, student loans, and installment and personal loans, we could potentially save you thousands each year. And yes, that's even with a higher mortgage rate than what you have. I know you don't want to give up that 3% rate on the current mortgage, but take a look in the comments to see an example of how we took a Cleveland borrower who purchased their home in 2016 for $300,000, putting 20% down at the time and a loan amount of $240,000. They then refinanced to a 3% rate in 2021. Their home value has now jumped from $300,000 to $465,000, meaning they have equity of over $220,000. But they also have credit card balances and student loans of $70,000 with monthly payments of about $1,875. By consolidating all of that debt into one new mortgage at a 7.5% 30-year fixed rate mortgage, we're still saving them $732 a month or $8,700 a year. Plus, they still have over $150,000 in equity that we didn't touch, even after the new loan, and that's done with zero out of pocket. If you'd like to take a deeper dive into your own personal finances and see if a debt consolidation loan could save you money and make paying your monthly bills easier, let's put your equity to work for you. Reach out or click the link in bio and fill out our debt consolidation survey. It takes just a few minutes and no credit check is needed. Thanks and have a great day.